Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you simple modeling and decorating. So sit down and let's go! At the beginning, I'm sanding old material with carbon drill. Link is in the caption. We must take off all the material because after 3 weeks it loses its properties and needs to be supplemented. I adjust the edges and upper part with a fill. Then I used a corundum extension to adjust the cuticle. You can see diamond ball, which I used to final adjustment, but be careful, don't use diamond ball on natural nails. This diamond ball is also from AliExpress. After that, I apply prep and ultra bond from Star Nails to hold nails better. As a builder, I used baby pink from Star Nails, which is soft pink and looks very nice if you are decorating only part of the nail without colored polish. As usual, just a thin layer and then little drop for modeling. I am also modeling apex, which is elevated point in 1/3 of the nail, and hold wooden modeling. So as I said last time, it's good to turn hand palm up for the best shape of nail. Then 30 seconds under the LED lamp, and after hardening I wipe the nails with cleaner, sanding nails, and clean them with disinfection without oils. Now you can see how I apply glittering polish from Venalisa and do something like ombre with a brush. 1 layer is enough for this type of decoration. And again 30 seconds under the LED lamp. I always give thumbs separately so that polish don't drip. forget the final gloss, I use Finish Extreme Gloss from Star Nails. Then 30 sec under the lamp and wait until the nail have cooled before wiping. To the end, I apply oil from Nani Nails with coconut aroma, and I really like it. So, that's all my tips and tricks for today. I hope you like my video. If yes, let me know. You can also subscribe my channel and watch my Instagram. So have a nice day and bye!